In this video, we're going to show you how to prevent Claude Code's context window from filling up too fast. When using Claude for programming projects, the context window plays an important role because it determines how much information the AI can actively reference during a conversation. The more relevant context Claude has available, the better it can understand your project and provide useful responses. However, during larger coding sessions, the context window can fill up quickly. Long code blocks, repeated explanations, debug logs, and unnecessary conversation history can consume valuable space and make it harder for Claude to focus on the most important information. As the context window becomes crowded, you may notice reduced consistency, forgotten requirements, or responses that no longer fully align with earlier parts of the project. The good news is that there are several simple habits that can help you use the available context more efficiently and keep Claude focused on the information that matters most. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of practical methods to reduce context usage and improve long-term coding workflows. So, let's get started. The first method is to avoid sending unnecessary information. Instead of pasting entire files or large code bases, share only the specific sections that are relevant to the current task. If you're fixing a bug, provide the function, component, or module related to the issue, rather than the entire project. Keeping prompts focused helps preserve valuable context space. Another useful method is to summarize completed work. When a task is finished, create a short summary of the important decisions, architecture, and results. Then start a new session using that summary instead of carrying forward a very long conversation. This allows Claude to retain the key information while removing unnecessary history. In most situations, these simple techniques can dramatically improve context management. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, share only the code and information relevant to the current task. Second, avoid filling conversations with unnecessary logs, duplicate explanations, or unrelated project details. And third, create concise summaries and start fresh sessions when conversations become too large. Remember that the context window is a limited resource. Using it efficiently allows Claude to focus on the information that directly supports your current objective. Smaller and more organized conversations often produce better coding results than extremely long discussions filled with unnecessary details. It's also a good practice to think of each session as a focused workspace dedicated to solving a specific problem. By keeping context clean and relevant, you can improve consistency, reduce confusion, and make AI-assisted development much more effective. A few simple workflow improvements can significantly extend the usefulness of Claude during complex coding projects. And that's how to prevent Claude Code's context window from filling up too fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or AI workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.